To my channel. In this video I will share with you how to remove the user account password on Mac. So first click on the little Apple icon on this corner and click on about this Mac. Then click on more info. This new window pops up. Now scroll down to users and groups. This is it. And here you will see the available users accounts on your Mac. Now next to the one that you want to remove the password for, click on this little eye icon and this window pops up. Here next to password, click on change. Now fill in your current password as the old password, and then here in the new password keep it empty and click on change password. You will see this alert. For example, you did not enter a password for this user account. Are you sure you want to do this? Anyone will be able to log in to your computer. Stored fingerprints will be removed for this user account. Click on continue. And just like this, now no more password will be asked for this user account. And this is how to remove the user account password on a Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.